Today, we have a writing lesson. We're going to talk about the compound sentence. A compound sentence contains at least two independent clauses. These two independent clauses can be combined with a comma and a coordinating conjunction, or with a semicolon. For example, I play tennis, Katie plays basketball. I play tennis, and Katie plays basketball. This is a compound sentence that contains two independent clauses that are joined with the coordinating conjunction, and. Or we can join the independent clauses with a semicolon. I play tennis, Katie plays basketball.
We usually join independent clauses with one of the 7 coordinating conjunctions.
For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so.
Remember them with the mnemonic fanboys.
And. We use and to join two clauses that have equal value. For example, John is from England and Laura is from Mexico. We also use and to join two clauses when the second clause occurs after the first clause. For example, I will go home and get some sleep.
But and yet indicate a contrast between the elements they connect.
For example,
His knee was hurting, but he finished the race anyway. I have known her for a long time, yet I have never trusted her. Or indicates a choice or offers alternatives between the elements it connects.
for example, on Sunday, we will go to the lake or to the river. Nor typically connects negative statements. Note that if an independent clause follows nor, its subject and verb are inverted. For example, he did not tell us where he was traveling to, nor did he tell us how long he would be gone.
For. The conjunction for is generally synonymous with because. For example, she could not think clearly, for her heart was so full of anger.
So has a meaning similar to, for this reason, therefore. For example, I could not find the car keys, so I broke the window to get in.
Note that when using a coordinating conjunction, you can remove any subject word and modal auxiliary from the second clause. For example, you can take a train or you can take a bus. You can take a train or take a bus. Both sentences are correct.